So hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Harshil and today I'm going to tell you how to make a YouTube intro. Now, so guys, let's get started. What you have to do is open your web browser and here search for panzoid.com. I'm going to give you the link in description. I will click on this. I am going to set up some of the intro. Like I have choose this. I can see that okay, leave it. It's looking nice. Now I will go to objects, this cuboid. This cube. And here I will change the name to my YouTube channel's name. I'm going to copy this and click outside. Don't forget to click outside. Done. Now let us see. Okay, this one's not looking nice. This is just your name. Now if I come back, if I click on this, then I can see how the people can see. This is looking nice. I will go to objects, this cube. I want to paste this, which is already copied to my clipboard. Okay, now I will go to downloads. Here it will be downloaded as an mkfig file. I will click on allow. It's downloading. Now let us wait for it to download. Now guys, as you can see, 1 minute is still left. Now it is rendering the video. It will be downloaded as a M4K file. I will open a new tab and here search for free converter. I will click on this online converter. Convert my file to MP4. Video converter. Okay, now I will search for convert my files to MP4. Now it has been 1 minute is still left. Now let us wait for it to load. So guys, now see, now you may be thinking, why is this taking time? Now the reason behind this is it first downloads the video, like it first renders the video and then create it to mkfeed file. First it create the video and then render it to mp4 mkv file, and then it processes for it that it can be downloaded. That is why it takes so much time. Now I can see download video option. Download your video. Now it is downloaded. I will go to free converter, choose files, video, convert to mp4. It is uploading. Download. I am going to delete this show in folder. I am going to delete the mkv file, and here is the mp4 file. I will rename as start intro. I can watch this like this. It's looking nice. And like this, you can create your YouTube video intros. Now let us talk about nothing and so guys, for now, thanks for watching.